Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, as I have it set up to where I have the recording device on me, so just bear with me as this will be kind of shaky, as today I will show you how to solve the cube using the beginner's method and the way I solved it in my last video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to make the cross first. So we have blue, orange, and then we have these two here. So I'm going to put blue here across from there, and then from the blue, and then I'm going to match it up. As here we have red, I'm going to put it down to where it's in this layer, and then I'm going to put it up so it's like that, and then I'm just going to rotate and then go. And then, so once you have that, you want to solve the corner pieces how you regularly would, like so. And that's the first step to the beginner's method. Alright, the next piece is to have the, you want to find a middle layer edge that, and look for the color and then match it up like it is here. And then you look for what it is here, and then you look for where it goes. So it goes here, like this. And so we're going to move it away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring the side up where it goes, and we're going to use this sequence that I'm going to show up top. Like that. And that does that. And then we can do the other side and do the exact same thing on the other side. And then there it is. Alright, and then once you have the middle layers there, you're going to look for this shape or the bar. I will show you how it is here, and then I'll show you the bar. So what it is here is we're going to do this sequence that I'm going to show here. Okay, and that puts it up. Okay, but if you have a bar like this, it's this sequence. And then there's that. Okay, now once you have all of them there, what we're going to do is we're going to orientate it to where we only have one solved, and then we're going to go the sequence here until all of them are solved, like so. And then what we want to do is, for this, I'm not going to show all of the cases like I said for the last layer here, but what we're going to do is we're going to do this algorithm to swap these two here. Okay, now that brings it up, and you can have 3 cases on the corners, like this where it rotates this way, or here where it rotates this way, or where none of the corners are solved and you can pick the way. But here we're going to do this algorithm. And then there it goes, solved. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I will show you how I solved it in the video previously. So let's scramble up the cube. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to solve the first side like we usually would. Okay, then once we have that, we flip it to here, and I look for, so it's going to be this piece right here, so it's like this. If this were flipped up, it would be diagonal. We want that, and we want this piece to face us. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this sequence right here, and then that puts it all up. But if you have the other way, you do it this side. Okay, but so we got lucky and had all the corners solved. So basically what you would do is you would have it, you just do the same thing that you would do with the other way of solving it. And so, but now what we're going to do is we're going to look for a yellow edge, or whatever the opposite edge of what we started with here, as our in the middle layer. But what you're going to do is you're going to find it in the middle layer. You're going to match it up so it's like this or like this, depending on if it's like that, but on the other side. So if it was, it's the same. But and then what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this piece up to where it would match right here. Then we're going to replace this one through the middle. Then we're going to rotate it up so it's right here, and then we're going to move this back. Then we're going to rotate it so they're in the same layer. And then we're going to rotate it like that. And then you're going to do the same thing like this. Okay. Now we have it, and then you just do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, and if you have this case, what you would do is you'd go just the middle, just continue to do the middle layer all one direction, and then it has that. Okay, so now we match up the center so it's like this, and then we look for a edge piece that is in its correct orientation like this one, and then we put it on the back, and not on here, on the back right here, and then you do this right here. And you do that until you get like a different type of kit. You do that until you see something like this. And then I would rotate it like this so it's like this. And then I would do this. And then I would rotate it back, and then as there are several other cases that I will do in the next video to show you, but that is going to be it for this video, as I hope this helped you or you enjoyed it. So you all have a good day, and